What's up, Sophia? You want to get up on the steps? Yeah. Stay up. Sophia, what's wrong? You want to get on the stairs? Try to do it yourself. Go against the wall. You can put your shovel on the stair first. You gonna help Mommy shovel? Okay. Put the shovel on the stair. Walk around it. Hold on to the wall and step up. Woo! Good job. Can you get your shovel? Can you reach it? Good job. Pull it up. Oh. Good job. You gonna help Mommy? Show Mommy how you help. Oh, good job. Shovel. Throw.
Nice job, Sophia.
Good job. You're a good helper. You getting it? You can go in there. You gonna touch it? There you go. Hold on to something. Just be careful because at some point there's no step left. You're in the snow. Got your shovel? All right. Want to wave bye-bye? No? No, Mommy. Oh, we're a good helper.